What if improving your drawing skills only took 5 minutes a day? Most beginners think that they need more talent, more time, or expensive supplies. But after years of teaching art, I've found that the artists who improve the fastest aren't always the ones who practice the longest. They're the ones who practiced consistently. Today, I want to show you how a simple 5-minute sketch habit can dramatically improve your drawing skills. One of the biggest obstacles I hear from students is, I don't have time to draw. And honestly, I understand. Life gets busy. But most people can find 5 minutes. 5 minutes while drinking your coffee. 5 minutes before bed. 5 minutes while watching television. 5 minutes feels manageable. It's much harder to cancel a 5-minute practice session than a 1-hour drawing session. Consistency is where growth happens. Here's something important. Your sketchbook is not a gallery. It's not a portfolio, it's a practice space. Many beginners think that every page should be beautiful. But that's not how artists learn. Some pages will be messy. Some will be unfinished. Some will simply be notes and observations. And that's perfectly okay. I often encourage students to think of their sketchbooks as a diary, a private place to explore ideas without pressure. You don't even have to show it to anyone. Another obstacle beginners face is not knowing what to draw. The solution is simple. Draw what's around you. A coffee cup, a bowl of fruit, a flower, a leaf. When I'm outside, I often like to sketch flowers, birds, and plants. When I'm traveling, I sketch scenes and objects that catch my attention. And I always encourage students to keep a folder of reference photos for days when drawing from life isn't practical. The goal isn't finding the perfect subject. The goal is drawing something. When I begin a sketch, I always start the same way. First, I look for the largest shapes. I lightly block those in. Then I move into contour lines. Finally, I identify the major shadow shapes. I'm not worried about the details. I'm focused on observation. Learning to see simple shapes is one of the most important drawing skills you can develop. Students are often surprised by how quickly they improve. The first things that usually get better are observation, sketching speed, and shape recognition. Then proportions start improving almost automatically. As those skills improve, confidence grows. That's why I always encourage students to date their sketches. Sometimes the best motivation is looking back and seeing how far you've come. If there's one thing I want you to remember, it's this. Anyone can learn to draw. You don't need talent. You need practice. 5 minutes may not seem like much, but those small moments add up. A sketch today, another tomorrow, and before you know it, you'll be looking back through your sketchbook and realize just how much you've grown. So grab a pencil, open your sketchbook, and give yourself 5 minutes. If you'd like to try this yourself, leave a comment below and tell me, what would you sketch if you had 5 minutes today? And if you enjoy this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more beginner-friendly drawing and painting lessons. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe.